Hi there again, folks. Back up for another flight, and I just want to show the folks and viewers how I transport my aeroplane. Just like that. A couple of cushions either side, protect it. See, there's a couple in the bottom there, protect the spinner. Bungee cord over the landing gear. A couple around there, got some bubble wrap so the cords don't damage the foam. And she's well solid in there, so we'll get her all set up and we get her up in the air. There she is, folks, all ready to go. Got the people coming down there, a few down on the bench. There's very light wind, so we'll get her up in the air.
Take off flaps. Throttle cut off. Flaps up. Time remaining 4 minutes.
I really do love this aircraft. This is the first low wing aircraft I ever flew after the high wings. It's recommended by lots of other RC flyers on YouTube, saying this is the best low wing one to start with.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
That's about half throttle. Okay, I'm going to try a landing. I've flown this for such a while.
Landing flaps.
Oh, that was a nice one, folks.
Throttle cut on.
Very pleased with that landing there. My timer beep is for about 15% throttle on this, so when I hear that beep I know I'm about at the right
Flaps up.
I know I'm at about the right throttle for the landing on full flaps.
Throttle cut off. Take off flaps. Flaps up. Time remaining 2 minutes.
there, it's downhill all the way.
It's downhill all the way. 30 seconds.
Well, that's my life from now on.
So otherwise we cut down, we're back in that bottom part. Take off flaps.
Yeah.
Through the forest, so we won't just out here. 20 seconds. Landing flaps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
There she is, folks.
Take off flaps. Flaps up.
That's the air tractor. 2 seconds left on the clock. I had it in for 4 minutes 30. I'll show you where I've got the battery on this aeroplane. I do love the headlights on this aircraft. It's so beautiful. Let's just get the hatch off and I'll get this camera off my head so I know, see what I'm filming. There it is, there's the 4S 2200. I've got it marked also for 3S 3200 and a 4S 3000 there. So there she is, folks. That's the E.flight air tractor. My favourite receiver in there. As I say, I just like flying scale. I'm not going to stuff this in the ground trying to do something I can't do. That is a big no-no with me. I need someone really with a buddy box and to give me some hints and tips. They are, folks. E.flight air tractor, 1.5 metre, flying over Tennyson Down. There's Tennyson Monument right up there, if you can see that cross up there. Alfred Lord Tennyson, the English Channel. There's old France over there somewhere. Freshwater Bay down there. And Compton over there. Atherfield, Brook, all that lot. Anyway, there it is, folks. E.flight air tractor, 1.5 metre. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you soon for another flight.